Okay, so yep. Let's do it. So I'm gonna play my hand pan drum. I'm starting this pan drum experience. I've been practicing in my house, so sometimes it comes out good, sometimes it doesn't come out good. But like as you know, the philosophy of future gen leaders, I'm all about making mistakes because you can never learn if you don't make mistakes. You can never learn anything. Okay? In your creative endeavors, you make mistakes and you make them real good. And if people judge you, bug them. Okay? It's people with low self-esteem that judge others. You can never be a visionary if you're afraid of making mistakes. Yes, if your work requires you to never make mistakes because you're going to lose your license or something really bad, you're going to be arrested. Okay, yeah. Those are the places where you don't make mistakes. But in your creativity, in other areas of your life, you just learn. You love making mistakes and you fail forward fast. Okay? Let's go.
Calling in the spirit of the air that takes all of our intentions, all of our prayers, all of our words to the highest realm. 7th plane consciousness, 13th plane consciousness, 21st plane consciousness. Thank you, Velanga. Nom Kubulwa. Thank you, Neptet. Ambu Gep. Aset, Asa. Here. Bigiligan. Thank you so much, calling in the spirit of Mother Earth, Father Sun, Grandmother Moon. Yes, blessings. Blessings, the spirit of the water. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's go.
Visionary. I don't know about you, but so many of us grew up in environments where we were not allowed to learn through play. I'm fortunate enough that my parents gave me the opportunity to go to art school. I learned how to expand my mind through play. I meet so many brilliant souls across the world who are afraid of making mistakes. They are petrified of getting it wrong. So many people live in anxiety and fear, fearing that they're not good enough, fearing that they don't know enough, fearing that everything is not going to work out. And those fears are valid, those frustrations are valid, they are valid, they are your experience. But in this moment, I would love for you to just take 5 minutes to yourself and surrender to this possibility that maybe, just maybe, the possibility of what if? What if I allowed myself to believe that no matter what circumstance I find myself in, something more is possible, something greater is possible. This is just a stepping stone to a brighter future. So as we listen to the drum, just allow whatever is coming through, whether it's judgment, whether it's frustration. Why are the beats of the drum not synchronized? Why does a lower beat of the drum come in? Oh my God, why is this not synchronized? It doesn't really matter. This is life. This is the process of learning. Life is a school. It never works out the way we think it should work out. We can plan, and God laughs. And I found as an artist that the process of manifesting all of my deepest prayers, my yearnings of the soul, come when I just surrender through play. People laugh at play. They laugh at people who are not magi's or masters at something. Oh, you're just practicing. Wow. But geniuses are those that love to practice something so much that they get so good at it because they've invested so many hours into their craft. It doesn't happen by accident. It doesn't happen by magic. It's the process of surrendering to the unknown. Not to the unknown outside of yourself, but to the unknown within thyself. Inside of you, there's a visionary that knows exactly how to solve your problems. Inside of you, there's a visionary that knows how to tap into the greatest possibility for your life and for your children's and for your children's 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 future. This I know. What if you were brave enough to just allow your mind to go, what if? What if the universe supported me enough to give me an answer, an idea to solve all of my problems? What if I could believe in myself enough? What if I could believe that the universe created me for a purpose, and that purpose is big enough that I can be a beneficial presence on planet Earth, and I will be well compensated for all of the gifts of divinity that I bring to planet Earth? What if I could believe this about myself? What if? As you start the process of believing in yourself, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. You're not going to get it right. But eventually, you'll become the magi that you always were. Making mistakes is part of the learning experience. Learning, unlearning, learning, unlearning is part of the joy of life. What if you gave yourself permission to enjoy the joys of life through learning and unlearning? Learning and unlearning. What if? What if you just gave yourself that opportunity to go, life is pretty cool, and I'm just going to learn through all of my circumstances, situation, knowing that all this is a stepping stone towards a greater future for myself and for my children. Oh, what if I believe that enough? What if? You deserve all of your wildest dreams to come true, centered, aligned with the cosmic purpose for love to reign supreme on planet Earth.
In such a great day where you can just like wake up in the morning and just be able to do like meditation. Life is good. Life is so good. I'm so thankful. Yeah, life is good. Thank you so much for joining me for this meditation. I'm so grateful. And as we always close off all of our videos, I love you, I love you, I love you. Whatever has brought us together is for a higher and nobler cause. I appreciate you, and I thank the universe. Oh, what a beautiful butterfly! And I thank the universe for having you in my world and me in your world today. Thank you so much for joining me for Wake Up Invincible. It's truly amazing to wake up invincible in nature. Okay, so I was asking, what is the secret?
Secret is love.
Love.
Yes, of course, love.
Why is love the secret?
Because love, it's a big motto.
Oh.
Yes. When you're loving in your heart, you spread the love.
And this is a secret to youth, eternal youth.
Yeah.
Okay, how do we bottle that up and start selling it at the duty-free stores in airports?
On Amazon.
You must have inside.
Right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for that truth. Love is the only thing that's real.
Exactly.
It's actually the only thing that's real. Without love, everything is meaningless.
Exactly.
And this is what I think. This is what I understood yesterday at the wedding.
Yeah.
Is like the community getting together. We were supporting the bride and the groom, and it was just love.
Yes, of course.
It was just love.
Just love.
I love you.
I love you too.
On the 2nd, we're going to be partying, but I see you here every time I'm doing my videos. So, isn't this the most beautiful couple? Look at this couple. Look at this couple. Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Look at the bride and the groom. Oh my God. It's so beautiful.